It is 8:22. I'm running a little bit behind because I'm filming YouTube and TikTok at the same time, but I'm just gonna quickly pick out my outfit for work. I think that I'm going to wear these pink pants this event I'm going to after work. These are actually from Forever 21. They're like satin cargo pants. Just trying to figure out what top to wear with this, and I'm really having a hard time. I tried it on with this last night. It's like a House of CB inspired corset from Shein, but it just looks a little bit too clubby, so I'm trying to find another white top. I was thinking maybe this. I feel like this makes it feel a little bit more casual, which is weird because it's just another like lacy corset, but it's a different vibe, so possibly. We don't know if it's inside or outdoors. It's at the Line Hotel in KTOWN, and my coworker Anne Sophie, she was saying that the Line is a messaging app that a lot of Koreans use. It's very popular, so that's why the hotel's called that. I was like, oh, that's so cool. I'm also thinking maybe I'll wear this new set that I got from Shein. I don't know how these pants are gonna fit. I think they're a little big. So here is the vest. The vest fits really well, and this is such a pretty color. So we have our fit together. You guys will see it later. And then I changed into these jeans. We're not really, this is a mess. We're not really supposed to wear rips, but I haven't worn these yet. Things are pretty casual, and I feel like they're not too over the top. And I think I might just keep my hair in a ponytail for now, maybe change it later. I was telling you guys I was having some issues with that Chanel boy sandal, and I'd lost the CC. So when my boyfriend and I were out at the Century City Mall, my pants like got caught on this, and then part of the C came off. And then yesterday when I was at work, I realized that this was completely gone. And then as I was walking to my car, I found it. Like, the universe is on my side. So I'm gonna see if I can potentially get this fixed. I really just need them to give me a brand new shoe. I did buy them new. I didn't buy them pre-loved, so I don't think it should be too hard. But like, what is happening? What is going on? Chanel-y, do better. But we are on the way to daycare now, and then to work. I'm so hot. We like heat up so much when we're walking. We're walking like kind of fast. I also like rediscovered Schoolboy Q. Like, I forgot that he existed, and then I was listening to this A$AP Rocky song, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot about this man. Did I drop something? I saw like paper, but I don't know if I had anything. I thought I just dropped something out of my car. This whole like gate is having some issues today, so I had to tap, and I was like, I swear I just saw a piece of paper fall, but I don't see anything missing from my wallet, and I didn't see anything on the ground. So I don't know, maybe I'm going crazy. I feel like that happens to me like way more often than it should. I hate these pillars. Oh, I just dropped a liner. Okay, cool. I find why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Time is up to guess. Oh my god, it burned. My camera is dead. I forgot my batteries, but I'm gonna heat up my lunch. Thank you. It smells so good in here. Can I get a strawberries and cream? The Benz truck is my new dream car. I think because I see them all the time in LA. Like, it's I see them as much as I see like a Honda, which hashtag goals. Horrible on gas, goes against like everything that I believe in when it comes with cars. But I love them. I think because I like the way that Jeeps look, but Jeeps are like super cheap on the inside. And I just can't get behind that. And like they're heavy and just none of it makes any sense for me. And so I love the G-Wagon. This is not my car. It's the CX-5. But we are actually going to head to the mall. We just went to Nothing Bundt Cakes and then to this bagel shop because Dominica wanted to grab lunch. Whew. And then we grabbed like a little birthday bundt cake for the owner's personal assistant because it's his birthday today. But we're gonna go to the mall because I really need sticky boobs for my outfit, and I've been meaning to get some more, and I normally get them from Shein because they send me stuff and I get it for free and everything, but I forgot to order them on my last order when I was picking out my items with them. And I have like 3 sets of them, but they've all like ripped so they don't clip and combine and like push your girlies up. And Aunt Sophie said that I could probably find one at Windsor. I'm about to switch to my phone because my camera's dying and I forgot to bring a battery. But I will say that like No Spend August has been going really well. I feel like this is the first time, besides I think one other time I got food out, that I'm buying something that I don't absolutely need, but I kind of do need it, you know? So I think it's okay. This is so cute. I think I've only ever been in Windsor once. Remember when they used to be really popular? Was it Instagram and YouTube? Alright, so I'm looking for stickies. This is really cute. There's also this one.
Oh, your camera is really nice.
Thank you. It's fine. Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. That was super easy, very quick, and I was honestly shocked at the prices because I feel like I've spent so much more than that, maybe even double at like Target. So if you're looking for stickies, apparently Windsor is the place to go. And the girl who worked in there, she said that they're really good and they're like the only ones that she likes to use. So, and I already had them in my hand. She wasn't trying to sell them on me. I was already ready to buy. It is so hot outside all the time in the valley. I don't think I would have lasted here, to be honest, which is why like once I decided I was gonna leave that complex after the huge crazy event happened, I was like, well, let me look at West LA. That's where I wanted to be from the beginning. It just looked like something that I couldn't afford, but I really lucked out. And I know a lot of people are like, girly, you're paying like $1,500 for 300 square feet, but I'm in a really, really, really nice neighborhood. And spaces that I'm in would normally go for like $1,800 to $2,000. So I really did get lucky. And pricing is just so different in LA. Like everything is so expensive when it comes to housing. It really doesn't make any sense. And the average apartment size is like 400 to 500 square feet. So 300 is really not that small. Let's get ready. Brought my phone tripod because we're gonna film a little TikTok. Put all my makeup in here that you guys saw. And then I brought this palette because this is the one that has a little bit of the stuff in it. I'm currently just waiting for people to respond in Asana. So I thought we would take a little 15-minute break, probably won't even be that long, and do my makeup. The lighting's not the best, but it's better than at my desk, so. And we did it. We are off to KTOWN. Oh, there's Aunt Sophie. she's not able to come, but she gave us a parking recommendation. So we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna probably mostly vlog on my phone. Thank God for cinematic mode, because you can rarely tell the difference. But it's gonna take 42 minutes to get there. There is a ton of traffic, like right out of the valley, and then the second you start getting into Hollywood is when it gets really, really bad. So I'm actually so glad I didn't end up living in KTOWN. Like, I can't imagine the traffic back and forth. My manager lives there, and like if he doesn't leave at 5, he just has to leave at like 7 because it just takes him so long to get home. So yeah, but I'm so excited. And Bailey's daycare doesn't close until 9 p.m. So I'm still gonna try and get him around 8, but I'm just glad that I don't have to worry about that and I can do something after work. It's gonna be so fun. Dominique has been talking about wanting to do some networking stuff, and this is like perfect. So I'm very excited. The drive actually hasn't been that bad, considering there were like 2 full stops, which I saw on the map before. I'm also trying to figure out, I like did my hair and I like picked up one of these pieces into my hair when I was filming a TikTok and it looked really good, and then I took it out and I don't know what I did and I can't recreate it. But we are in KTOWN.
I need some last time. I need to get rid of.
So I found parking, but I'm actually too far. So Dominica is coming to pick me up, but there's this really cool mural of the Lakers. It's so cute. So it was like a 15-minute walk to get to the hotel from this parking lot, and we were laughing because we were like, Aunt Sophie gave us the recommendation, but she lived in Barcelona for a while, and so she probably thought that was a nice short walk.
Like butterfly earrings. Okay, I think we're good.
It's like a table or something that you can use. Cheers!
I'm like taking all like, ooh, I need free shit. I need all the free.
Well, I got Lau and Ross.
Probably see that happen during the community sell together.
We are not poshers, and this is very much for Poshmark girlies, which love that for them. So we're gonna head out. We stayed for a little bit. It is now 7:30, so this is around the time I wanted to leave anyways, because I gotta go get Mr. Bailey. Gotta do dinner, because I'm hungry. They had little like apps, but I can't eat anything.
Oh, you come here? You gotta come here. All right, go ahead, buddy.
It's 8:30 now, and I'm home. My pants were a hit. These are the Forever 21 cargo pants. I love them. And it's so funny, I was like, where did I put my birth control? I was a little bit worried that like leaving Bailey for so long was gonna like make him really anxious or anything like that. And when I picked him up, like, homie did not care. He barely said hi to me. He was so focused on like, oh, there's dogs boarding. Ooh, this guy has food in his hand. Did not care less. So it's so funny because like part of the whole separation anxiety thing is usually the owner as well. And I definitely have anxiety away from him because I'm anxious that he's anxious when obviously he's not. He loves daycare. He really likes this place, so I'm so happy. But tonight was really fun, so I'm gonna make an effort to do stuff like this more often during the week, because during the week daycare stays open till 9. And then as Bailey gets better, nights are like the easiest thing to test for like long periods of time out of the house because he's already tired and he's like ready for bed. He's like in that mode. So Dominique and I have made it our mission to try and find some more events in LA for networking. So if you guys know of any good ones, let me know. Leave them in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram, because we just want to like network and like meet more people, because it's a little bit harder too. I really lucked out with my office because I met Dominique and Aunt Sophie and they're both so sweet and we're all like the same person. So very grateful to have them. But we got these little bags made. So I just did my little tag and the little Poshmark is on the back. Just another bag I don't need. But these are so cute, like the little canvas bags. I feel like they always come in handy for like going to the farmer's market or whatever it is. I always need extra bags when I go to the grocery store. So I got that. And then we took pictures because they had the really cute like photo booths where you're looking at a mirror to take a picture so you can actually take solid photos. And we took these two. Please focus on my face. And I just thought we looked adorable, and they had like the cute little signs and everything. So it was really fun. You guys know I love Poshmark. I've actually never used another app to sell on, and I don't know if I ever would. Their shipping fees are astronomical, but I feel like that is the only negative thing about that app. And it works out for the people that you're sending your stuff to because they get everything so fast. So it makes sense. Inflation, all that jazz. But yeah, it was a good night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a little bit of everything. Definitely follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm trying to post on TikTok every single day. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.